Hare Krishna. We welcome you all to the 21st batch of our Understand Gita in 18 Days. It's a Gita course which we have been running. It's a free course. And interesting thing is the world's largest online Gita course. We are teaching Bhagavad Gita in 11 languages at different times for different age groups. So the opportunity is there for you to take advantage of this course, and you can choose the time and language according to your convenience. We all have Bhagavad Gita at our home, so many of us do not know what is the meaning. We have this question, who am I? What is happiness? Why am I suffering in this world? Where was I? What's the goal of my life? Where was I before this birth? Where will I go after this birth? Because we have so many questions like this within our heart, and we do not find a place where we can answer. So this course, we request you kindly attend. All your questions will be over, and you will get so much spiritual benefit. Hare Krishna. So to register, you can use the link t.ly/Gita. Hare Krishna.